Hey Danielle, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We're a marketing company in the United States, and you had spoken to my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would be to just give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and jump in. So the three things I'll cover today are going to be content on your website, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your site pulled up here, and that's anything that you can see here on your site. That does also include the pictures, what's behind the pictures, and what the pictures are saved as well. So to Google, content is king, and they like to see 1,500 words on your homepage. And that allows you to integrate keywords and key phrases that people are going to be actually searching for when they're looking for your services. So I would say to get yourself some more content on your homepage. That way you can kind of put in those different words and phrases. That way when people are typing those into the search bar in Google, they will be able to locate you very quickly and easily because you will come up on that first page. But that is all that I have as far as that goes. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next thing here. So I did just do a quick search in your area for cleaning services. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that map pack section. So what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, which I know you have, which is great, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Yelp, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories. And you would definitely want to grab those listings for your business. But you also don't just want to stop there. So whatever your competition is doing, you want to be doing that, but then you want to double or even triple those listings for your business. That way you are completely dominating them in that space, and it will also help you to rank high in the maps here as well. So now that we've covered the content and the citations, we'll move on to backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps, and this is called the organic section. The way that backlinks work is that there is a website out there that is pushing power to your site, and it's also potentially driving traffic to your website as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, say that you did some cleaning for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they are going to take a link from their website and push one to your site. But of course, that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not really going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning services that send a link back to your website, and it will also signal to Google that that is your industry and that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it will also be more powerful to Google because it's relevant to your industry. So, and I pulled up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put your website into it. It's not pulling up any data for you right now, but just to kind of give you a visual representation of what we're talking about, I did pull up one of your competitors that is ranking high on Google, just to kind of show you. So they have 66 referring domains, which is giving them 970 backlinks, getting them found for 152 keywords, and that's driving 106 people to their website on a monthly basis. And let's see if we can see what kind of keywords they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. And by buyer intent, I mean anything that someone's going to think to type into that search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. So usually it's something like this: the industry that you're in, and then maybe a city. So we'll also pay attention to this section here. This number represents how many times this particular keyword or key phrase is searched for on a monthly basis as well. So they have some really good keywords. So they have carpet cleaner leads, carpet cleaners leads, which shows you can use different variations of kind of the same word or phrase and it will still count as a new keyword. Carpet cleaning Wakefield. Let's see here. End of Tennessee, cleaning leads, house cleaning leads, Newcastle carpet cleaner, carpet cleaning Sheffield. So I won't bore you with going through all of these, but this does kind of give you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into that content on your homepage. That way, when these terms are being put in the search bar, Google is going to realize that that is also a term that is on your website. So that will help you to get ranked on that first page of Google. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. And again, you don't just want to stop there. Whatever your competition is doing, you certainly want to do that, but you want to go above and beyond that as well. That's what's going to get you on that first spot in Google, and it's also what's going to keep your competition from even being able to catch up with you. So that's really all that I have for you, Danielle. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business online via your online presence, please absolutely reach out to us. We would love to speak to you about that. But I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take care.